Hey guys, welcome back. If you noticed, I have a new channel name. It is Homemaking Heaven, and I'm so excited about it. I am very excited to focus in on the key reason why I'm here on YouTube. My tagline for the channel is cleaning with meaning, because that is what I do here. That's what I do at my house. It is cleaning with a meaning. I use it to help with my struggles with generalized anxiety, which is like health anxiety, and OCD. It really helps me manage those struggles. I also want to thank you all. I cannot believe I reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm kind of still in shock about it. I really did not start this channel even thinking that I would really make it that far. Of course, that was my goal. This is a hobby for me. I would like to see my hobby become a successful hobby, but I'm just so excited and so just taken aback by all of the support, and I really, really appreciate it. And I do not personally make like New Year's resolutions or goals. It stresses me out too bad, just to be completely honest with you guys. It just stresses me out. So I did want to focus on what I wanted my channel to be, and that's what came about with the renaming of the channel, and just trying to focus more on really why I'm here, and hope that that comes across in my videos. If you come to my channel for anxiety or OCD or just anything like loneliness about being like a homemaker, or maybe you're lonely for other reasons, I just want that to come across, that I'm here to support you guys as well, and that it's a safe place to come and talk and make comments, and just everybody kind of supporting everybody. And I'm very thankful for all of the sweet comments that I've got. I honestly can say that I really have not seen any negativity here on this channel, and I really, really appreciate that. And it is a blessing. And again, I'm here to just give you guys support and encouragement and motivation. And I wanted that to come across in my name. I think CROSSWAVE was cute and catchy, but people thought I was Cora, and it was like every time I came on, I had to kind of explain that I named it after my 5-pound dachshund. And so I just decided to get to the root of why I'm here, and homemaking is a passion for me. It is something that I am extremely grateful to be able to do. I'm very thankful for my husband's career and job, and the ability to be able to do what I do. And I want that to come across on my channel, and I want people to come here and just feel comfortable when they come here. So I know that's kind of a long thing, and I'm sorry, my voice is still not back to normal. So I wanted to just come on here and share that with you guys. I hope you are as excited about this new journey of the channel for 2022 as I am. I did a quick floor cleaning that I'm putting in as my motivation for today's video. My plan is to try and upload 2 times a week, 3 if I'm doing really well. As a busy mom, I never really know, but my plan is to upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 10 a.m. So I hope that you guys will join me here. I appreciate, again, all of the support. And if your floors were as messy as mine were the day that I cleaned them, then hopefully this gives you the motivation to get up and clean your floors. I do have the BISSELL CROSSWAVE. That machine has changed everything as far as cleaning these floors, with having 2 sweet puppies here, and just kids coming in and out with dirty shoes and mud and all of that stuff. This machine is amazing. It is not sponsored. I did another video on it that I'll link down below, where I talk a little bit more about it, but I'm not going to talk through the cleaning motivation. I just want you guys to enjoy it. And again, I hope that you guys are well, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. And I will talk to you guys later. Much love always. Bye.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that it moves and the way that it laughs, so I can't get enough. Think about him all the time, I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? Just take me back with you. Wanna go back. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.